You clicked on this video because you're either already freelancing or thinking about it. And deep down, you know money can make or break the whole thing. You're absolutely right. Without financial reserves, most freelancers quit before they even get started. Let's make sure that's not you. When I first went full-time freelance, I thought I've got skills, I'll get clients. Money will roll in. Yeah. No, my bank balance had other plans. One slow month turned into two, then three, and guess what? I almost gave up. Not because of lack of talent, but because I didn't prepare. Here is the brutal truth. Even if you're the best developer, designer, or writer on earth, you will burn out and bounce back to a 9 to 5 if you're constantly stressed about money. So let's talk about what no one else teaches: how to build your financial cushion and why it's your freelancing safety net. First up, what exactly is a financial cushion? It's simple. It's a pile of money you save up to cover your living expenses when client work slows down or stops. And yes, that will happen. There is 3 times a financial cushion will save your career. Number 1, when you're just starting out and don't land a client right away. Number 2, when you're between projects and it takes longer than expected. Number 3, when life throws a surprise at you, like a broken laptop or you get sick and can't work for a week. Now, let me ask you, how long can you survive with zero income? If the answer is not long, we've got work to do. But don't worry, this is fixable. There is a golden rule here. It's called the 6-month rule. You need enough saved up to cover 6 months of your basic living expenses: food, rent, bills, and subscriptions. Not vacations, not new gadgets, just surviving stuff. Let me tell you why 6 months. Let's say 1 month you earn triple what you expected. Amazing, right? But next month, zero. Happens all the time. The cushion keeps you calm. You won't take underpaid, soul-destroying jobs just to survive. You will wait for the right client, the high-value client, the long-term client. Without that cushion, you will panic. You will undercharge. You will burn out. And that's how talented people quit freelancing. Not because they aren't good, but because they're financially underprepared. I've been there. Back when I was just starting freelancing before Upwork, I had good skills, but not savings. So every project felt like life or death. I took nightmare clients just to pay the bills, and the work drained me. Eventually, I realized if I kept going like that, I'd quit. So I paused, saved 6 months of living expenses, and came back stronger. And once I had that cushion, I chose better projects, charged higher rates, and grew way faster. Now you might be thinking, but I can't save 6 months. I barely make enough now. That's fair. So here is what you do. Step 1. Figure out exactly how much you spend every month. Not guesses, real numbers. Rent, food, Netflix, phone bills, everything. Step 2. Multiply that by 6. That's your goal. Step 3. Create 2 lists. One for one-time expenses like a laptop or new chair. The second for monthly ones like internet, subscriptions, or software. Step 4. Cut what you can. You're not giving it up forever. You're buying peace of mind. You're buying freedom. You're buying the ability to not quit. And look, if 6 months feels impossible, aim for 3. Even 1 month is better than nothing. The key is to start. Let's break a myth while we are at it. I'll just start freelancing now and save money later. Sounds logical, but here's the problem. If you have no cushion, your stress level go through the roof. And while you're stressed, your proposals are bad, your work suffers, and you attract low-paying clients. That leads to more stress, more bad clients, and eventually quitting. You don't want that. You want freedom, right? You want to work from anywhere, pick your clients, and grow your income. That doesn't start with a job offer. It starts with a saving account. So here is the takeover. Freelancing is a business, and no smart business launches with zero runway. Save the money, build the cushion, start strong. Because with a financial cushion, you get to play the long game. You get to choose clients, not beg. You get to grow, not survive. If this clicked for you, don't ignore it. This is the real stuff no one posts on Instagram. I made a free guide to help you grow your freelance income. You will find the link in the description. And once you've got that cushion in place, the next question is, how do you keep the money coming in? Because savings run out, but clients, they don't have to. In the next video, I'll show you the exact strategy I used to never run out of work on Upwork, even when others said it was too competitive. Click over, you don't want to miss this.